Now you will see how to withdraw from Bitget Copy Trading. I have currently 135 active copy trades, as you can see right here. I will close my trades in this video to demonstrate the process. The reason why I opened this Bitget Copy Trading profile is that I was already on Binance Copy Trading with my followers. You can see here my copy trading account. However, some of my followers wanted to have alternatives because Binance doesn't work in their countries. And that's why, because of your requests, I opened this Bitget Copy Trading account as well. And also a BingX Copy Trading account as an alternative, but today we will focus on Bitget. If both of these platforms, Bitget and Binance, work in your location, then I think Binance Copy Trading is better. First of all, they have more users, it's easier to use, and the copy trading platform is more simpler. They also have separate accounts for copy trading and spot trading. Meanwhile, on Bitget, they have the same account for spot trading and copy trading, which many people may find confusing. All that being said, I think Bitget provides a great alternative for Binance. And now, before I show you the details click by click, how to withdraw and all the other great stuff, let me show you what is Bitget Copy Trading all about and how does it work in practice. There are three parties involved. First of all, there is a trader, in this case me, I have this account. Then there are the followers who copy the trades, and then there is the platform, in this case Bitget. The main motivator why many beginners like copy trading is because it's automated. You simply deposit the funds, you click here copy, and the trades are done automatically. That being said, I think for most people using an automated trading bot is a better option. Just to show you quickly from Bitget, when you come here into trade, and here you will find spot. Then you find this bot Auto Invest Plus, and with this bot you can do automated trades easily. You can choose here BTC, click here use, then you will see 100% BTC, and it also gives a boost. Here you can choose the amount, the minimum is only 2 USDT, then you click here create and the bot will be up and running for you. In my opinion, this is the best option for most people. That being said, I know that a lot of you want to copy my Bitcoin purchases, Bitcoin trades, and that's why I have this profile. So if you want to follow my Bitcoin trades, you can follow the first link in the description right here below the video. Follow my Bitget Copy Trading, and if you prefer Binance, I will also leave you a direct link for that. After clicking the link right here below the video, you will land on the Bitget Copy Trading page where you will see my profile, and you can simply click here copy. If you haven't logged in or signed up yet, you first log into your account and then you are ready to copy. Notice here that I do spot copy trading because most people who want to copy me are beginners. So spot trading is much better than futures trading for beginners. New users on Bitget can also get great welcome rewards. You can see right here. There are 3 steps to claim your rewards. You sign up, deposit, and claim rewards. So let's say that you have been copying, you have active trades like I have right here. How can you withdraw? So what I needed to do was to come right here on the trading section. In the spot, I went to spot trading, and here it showed my copy trades, because normally you see open orders. But then here was this tab, my copy trades. So here you are able to sell your trades. It seems that nowadays they have also added an option directly here on the copy trading page. But if you don't see that, you can come right here, my copy trades. And let me show you right here. I click here sell, I click here confirm, and that's how take the profits. Click here sell, I click confirm, and that's how it works. Let me also show you the same here on the copy trading section. Let me go for the page 7, because here we have lots of profitable trades. So I can close this individually by clicking here sell, clicking here confirm. You can see it takes the profits. I click here sell, I click here confirm, and you can see operation successful. it will start showing them on the right hand side. Here was the available balance before closing these trades. If I refresh this page now, you can see the available balance is now more than 5,000 USDT. And as I keep on closing, let me close here a couple of trades. Sell, confirm, sell, confirm, sell, confirm. So I'm closing more and more trades. I go to spot account, and now if I refresh the page again, you can see now we have more than 700 USDT available. So this is how it works on the Bitget Copy Trading. The money that you have in active trades will be reserved, you can see right here, but as you keep on closing those trades, the money will be available. Now you can click this cancel all button and you can choose to take profit and stop loss. But that works only if you have set up take profit or stop loss prices. Because let me show you. If I click here cancel all, then I click here take profit, I click here confirm, you can see operation successful. I refresh the page and you can see it hasn't closed any of my trades. I still have the same amount of trades available here because I don't have any take profit. So you can click it however you want, but it still keeps the same trades open if you don't have this take profit price here. But let me show you also a couple of more. You can click here sell, you can click here confirm. Let me also close one trade that is on the loss for example purposes. This one is 0.16 USDT on the loss. So you can click here sell, you can click confirm, and it says operation successful. Now it will take some moments for it to update the total profit on the profile right here, but you can see it's already increasing. In the beginning it was 1,127, now it's already more than $1,200 profit. If I refresh again, you can see it keeps 1,200, so it may take some moments for it to update. If I click sell again, this is basically how the process of taking profits work. And now that you have the money available in your spot account, as you can see available, then you can use this money to do whatever you want. If you want to withdraw the money, for example, to your crypto wallet, bank account, whatever, you can click here withdraw. Another way how you can use this money is of course using the BitGet card. You probably know that BitGet provides a great card that you can use for your daily shopping, for whatever you need, and you can easily pay with crypto in real life for groceries, for restaurants, for taxis, for hotels, for travel, whatever you need. Or you can withdraw the money easily to other exchanges such as Binance by clicking here withdraw and then transfer it to Binance. You will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. BYBIT, Binance, Ultimate Guide and more.